Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Toyota Supra front view. Begin by lightly sketching a rectangular base, establishing the car's overall width and height. This initial shape helps define the main proportions. Next, divide this rectangle into 3 equal vertical sections. These will guide the placement of the grille and headlights. Always draw a central vertical line to maintain perfect symmetry, which is crucial for a realistic front view. Keep your lines light and loose at this stage. Now let's focus on the iconic headlights and grille. Carefully outline the Supra's distinctive, narrow headlight shapes on both sides of your central section. These are key to its aggressive look. Below that, draw the large, trapezoidal lower grille, making sure it occupies about 2/3 of the car's front height. Then, add the smaller upper grille, which typically connects the inner edges of the headlights. Pay attention to the angles and curves for accuracy. Moving on to the hood and bumper, these elements truly bring the Supra to life. Define the hood's prominent curves, ensuring they flow smoothly from where the windshield would be down to the top of the grille. Next, sketch the front bumper, carefully incorporating its lower air intakes and sharp, angular lines. Don't forget to add the subtle creases and vents on the hood. These details enhance the car's aerodynamic appearance and add depth to your drawing. For the final touches, it's time to refine your drawing. Carefully erase all your initial construction lines, leaving only the clean, defined outlines of the Supra. Now, apply shading to create depth and dimension, paying close attention to how light would reflect off the car's curves and where shadows would naturally fall. This step truly makes your drawing pop. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.